Hey, fellow seekers of financial success! Welcome back to Wealthway, your ultimate destination for unraveling the secrets of wealth creation. Today, we're delving into a topic that has captured the imagination of many. How the rich manage to not just dream big, but turn those dreams into a reality. Get ready because in this video, we're going to unveil 5 tried and true strategies that wealthy individuals use to grow their money. So if you're ready to take notes, hit that like button to share your enthusiasm, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Ever had that sinking feeling when you're halfway through the month and you're not entirely sure where your money went? You're not alone. The wealthy, however, approach their finances with a different mindset. They track every cent. This level of awareness is essential because without understanding where your money goes, managing it effectively becomes nearly impossible. Tracking expenses isn't just about looking back, it's about paving the way for informed financial decisions. The affluent often employ a two-step approach. They assess their expected income for the upcoming month and use the 20, 30, 50 budgeting method. This technique allocates 50% of income for essential living expenses, 30% for leisure activities, and reserves 20% for savings. With technology at our fingertips, tracking expenses has never been easier. Wealthy individuals leverage apps like Mint, automatically categorizing expenses, or opt for traditional methods like recording purchases and notes apps. No matter the method, the key is consistent measurement, recognizing that effective management stems from accurate information. Starting early, forming these financial habits can lead to significant long-term benefits. When it comes to realizing dreams, discipline is the bedrock upon which success is built. From achieving academic excellence to mastering an instrument, discipline is what differentiates the great from the average. The same principle applies to wealth building. The wealthy attribute their success to unwavering financial discipline. Discipline involves making consistent choices aligned with your financial goals, even when it's tempting to deviate. For instance, opting for education that leads to a high-paying job requires diligent study and preparation, much like the dedication needed to build a thriving business. Furthermore, discipline is at the heart of saving. While income might vary, the ability to save isn't determined by your paycheck but by your choices. Whether it's settling up automated deductions to ensure consistent savings, or exploring avenues to increase your earnings, discipline is your compass. By adopting disciplined habits early, you're setting the stage for lasting financial success. It's the force that empowers you to resist immediate gratification for long-term gain, a trait that's common among the wealthy. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and discipline is your steady pace setter. The image of millionaires living extravagant lives is a common misconception. In reality, many wealthy individuals follow a principle that's quite the opposite. They live below their means. This practice isn't about deprivation. It's about aligning your lifestyle with your financial capabilities. Living below your means is a strategy that provides financial security and room for growth. It's about resisting the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle whenever your income increases. This strategy is particularly crucial for entrepreneurs who experience both prosperous and challenging phases in business. By avoiding lifestyle inflation, you're ensuring that your spending doesn't outpace your earning potential. This balance is pivotal for long-term financial stability, as it safeguards you during economic downturns. Those who succumb to lifestyle inflation might find themselves in dire straits when the going gets tough. Incorporating this strategy isn't about sacrificing enjoyment. It's about creating a solid financial foundation that enables you to pursue your dreams without constant financial stress. When you live below your means, you're creating a buffer that grants you the freedom to weather financial storms and seize opportunities when they arise. Remember the exhilaration of playing Monopoly and amassing properties to secure your financial victory? The wealthy understand this game and take it to the next level by making their money work for them. Unlike many who settle for minimal savings account interest, they leverage the power of investments. Investments are the fuel that propels wealth growth. While traditional savings might yield modest returns, well-chosen investments have the potential for exponential gains. Real estate properties, dividend stocks, and real estate investment trusts or REITs are among the favored avenues. Investment properties generate rental income, contributing to your financial health while potentially appreciating in value. Dividend stocks offer regular payouts, allowing you to earn even as your money stays invested. REITs provide the opportunity to invest in real estate without the burdens of direct ownership. It's not about having a large sum to begin with. It's about consistently allocating a portion of your income to investments. Just like Warren Buffett, who began investing at a young age, time is your ally. The sooner you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compounding. What's the secret sauce that allows the wealthy to indulge in luxury without jeopardizing their financial security? It's their unwavering commitment to safeguarding their principal. In financial terms, the principal is the original sum invested in an asset. The rich refrain from tapping into this principal, ensuring that their assets continue to generate income. While many rely solely on income earned through work, the wealthy cultivate additional streams of passive income through investments. This income allows them to enjoy a life while preserving their financial foundation. Building passive income involves selecting investments that generate ongoing returns. Investment properties, dividend-paying stocks, and bonds are popular choices. These investments provide regular cash flow, reducing the reliance on active income. By prioritizing passive income, the wealthy create a safety net that cushions against unexpected financial challenges. This strategy underscores the importance of having assets that work for you, providing both present enjoyment and future security. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of 5 potent strategies that the wealthy employ to nurture and grow their wealth. From meticulous tracking to unwavering discipline, from living below your means to strategic investments, and from safeguarding your principal to cultivating passive income, these strategies redefine the path to financial success. Incorporating these strategies into your financial journey isn't about instant gratification. It's about paving the way for enduring wealth. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our empowering content. Thank you for joining us at The Wealth Way, where we're not just talking about dreams, we're transforming them into reality. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking steps towards your financial greatness.